fast move. Okay, so this video, we call it the nice chat video, I guess. It's a little bit different. It's really nice out. I feel like I just ride around on the board that I've had. That I haven't even ridden the board around this area for a while, but this video is not technically, you know, no code required. It's just me talking about topics that I've had on my mind, topics that came up on the stream, things I kind of wanted to expand on. So some of these topics, like how everyone wants to work at Google or Facebook or Microsoft. Google, Facebook, Microsoft. Oh, there's another one. Or Apple. I always forget Apple. People don't want to work out, like, those are like the big four tech companies, and that's like everyone's dream to work there, everyone's goal to get to that point. But the truth is, like, when you work there, they provide breakfast, they provide lunch, they provide dinner, because they don't want you to leave. You just live, you live to work, and that's what this video is about. Not doing that, not living to work and working to live instead. I would take being able to work on a beach for some company with 10 people, with my dogs, and, you know, being able to do this. You wouldn't be able to do this if you worked there, because you'd have no time. You'd be like, oh, gotta go get another coffee, time to do a little bit more development. I have no idea where I'm at, so I'm gonna leave. So people will just see some guy with a camera filming their houses. How does he do this? My arm's already getting tired. What I kind of wanted to branch off to was, like, in development, you know, we work the 8 hours. But in development, it's a little bit different. It's more about productivity and what you can get done, because I know for me, after a certain time of day, my logical thinking just goes out the window. And maybe some people would call that an excuse, but from 5 to 1, that's when I can solve the best kinds of problems. After that, I got nothing for you. And, you know, usually I can wake up and I can knock out 3, 4, 5 hours of just constant work, and then after that my brain is done. And, you know, most traditional jobs, you just have to be present. You have to be there for 8 hours, and I don't think that's an absolute must. I guess we'll go in this parking lot. I just don't think that you need to be in one spot for 8 hours, especially in web development. Like, if you're in retail and you have to deal with customers, or you're in food and you have to serve customers, something like that, then it's different. Then I get it. But, like, see, the thing is, I don't live to work and I work to live, and I know a lot of people live to work, and I'm just not about that life. And regardless of how prestigious those companies are, I would much rather be able to spend time with my family and be able to go somewhere when I want to. And yeah, you're a developer there, but the company's so big that you're just kind of a number. And yeah, it'll look good. Yeah, it'll look good on your resume, but as soon as you leave, that company is gonna, the company is gonna, you know, keep changing with the times. They're gonna use different technologies, so everything you learn there will be irrelevant, and you'll just go work for another company. And I don't know, it's just a name that means that you did a great job at interviewing, and somehow your resume and stuff guy. I don't know. I'm just ranting, and I'm just very against the live to work. Okay, that's it. So I know this video is a little bit different than the other videos I normally make. I haven't had a chance to make the Python automation scripts that I want to do for my next video, but I still wanted to make a video, and this kind of was just on my mind since I had a stream last night. And I know some people, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, and you just need to get by, but the end goal is to not live to work. And when you're working at these large corporate famous companies, then you just end up living to work. And you know, then there's the other topic of how 8 hours of being somewhere doesn't mean 8 hours of productivity. And I think that if you just kind of based it on productivity instead of hours, then a lot of people's morale would go up. People would feel like, oh, I only have 4 hours to get it done, rather than, oh, I have to be here for another 4 hours. Like, anyways, I know I guess I'm a little bit new age on my thoughts, but, you know. So if you like this video, maybe leave a subscribe, leave a like, and if you want to chat with me more often, hop on the Discord. Link for the Discord is in the description below. This is also really hard, so I'm sorry if my thoughts were incoherent out there. I have to balance, I have to control the speed, I have to make sure that I'm in focus, and I have to, you know, navigate and not get hit by a car. So anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. That didn't work. I thought I'd be able to make that.